All right, YouTube, we're gonna get these things off. So these gas struts have a little clip right here. Get a little small screwdriver, and we're gonna go underneath this clip. Let's pop that off. So as you can see, that popped off there. It's always hard to do this while you're holding the camera. There we go. See, that comes right off. But it's a little bit of effort. And this should be able to just pop off here. Just like that. So once you move that clip, just a little force, pop it off. And we're gonna do the same to the bottom down here. Get this little clip. There we go. And that comes right off. So gotta remove the clips. All right, YouTube, we got the first clip on. To get this one on, you're gonna have to push, kind of hyperextend the trunk leg a little further up, and that allows you to slide that right on. So I'm gonna try to do the second one, but already we got some good support there. So I'm gonna take this off. Same way, remove the clips here. Once that clip is done, you should be more than. Make sure that's fully gone. Try not to scratch your paint on the inside if you care about that. I do. And we'll just go ahead and get this one down here too. That's going, so it's nothing here. And this shit pops out of place. There we go. There we go. This old one. Old one, got some leaves and crap in here. All right, so old one, we get the new one here that I need to open. All right, this is the new one, and we're gonna install these right on. So this time I think I can do this with one hand. I like the bottom on first here. There we go. And once again, to get that on, we're gonna hyperextend the hood, the trunk here. And I have to, okay, I can't do it. All right, had to do it with two hands. So yeah, just hyperextend the trunk lid here, deck lid, whatever we're gonna call this, and that will pop right on. So I like to start with the bottom first and go from there. So let's see. Oh yeah, look at that. She would just drop right down, but now she doesn't. So, and she kind of goes up by herself. So excellent.